Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time to unbox Echo Dot, but with a clock this time. This is the latest Echo Dot from Amazon, and let's unbox it and see what's inside the box. And this is my first smart speaker, so I'm pretty excited to unbox this. There we go. Let's open it. And right there on the top we have our speaker, all wrapped in plastic. Let's take the plastic off. So this was the only color it was available in. I would have gone with something darker, but this is okay as well. So we have a charging port here and a port for connecting to the external speakers, and it's really nice. We've got this fabric like material on the sides. I don't know if it's fabric or plastic or whatever. You've got our volume buttons here, and we have, I think, the mute button, and then we have our power on button. Down below it's rubber, so it wouldn't slip on the table. Very nice, not easy to slip, so that's cool as well. Very nice little speaker, I would say, and very high build quality. So let's put this on the side and see what else is inside the box. So we have our quick start guide, some important information, and then we have our power cable here. So a big huge power brick, 15 watt, and then it connects right into the speaker. So let me do that and we'll come back and connect this to the phone. So there you go guys, it's all connected and the light started doing this, and now I'm just waiting for instructions.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa.
Okay, so while we're getting the instructions, I've got the Alexa app right here, and we'll go in here and we will add the device.
Your device is ready.
Oh, it's ready. Okay, that's cool. So there you go, that's Echo Dot with clock, and already connected to Wi-Fi and all done, and it's showing time here, so that's really cool. And it actually says that the new device has been detected, so I didn't have to do anything actually. So now we have this Echo device all signed up here. So we've got some audio settings here. We can change the bass and the mid-range levels and stuff like that. We can change the audio level from here. That's the network, stereo pair, subwoofer, Echo remote. If you have, I think if you have Fire TV remote, then you can use it, but let's not get into that right now. Display. So I think it's talking about this display right here. Changes the brightness, does it? Oh, there you go, it does changes the brightness. Adaptive brightness, the display brightness will adjust automatically based on ambient light. Moving the slider will help adaptive brightness learn your preference. So we have that done on, and then we can set it to show us 24-hour clock instead of 12-hour clock, and that's that. And then we've got tap gestures. Single tap to snooze alarms, sound do not disturb, communication, device location, wake word, so that would be Alexa. Oh wow, did it just...
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Okay, so activate word is Alexa, and then we've got all the movements and everything. Okay, let's talk to this now. Alexa, how are you?
I'm feeling cheerful. I've been thinking a lot about what makes people happy. and I've even written a song about it. To hear it, just say, Alexa, sing a happy song.
Okay. Alexa, sing a happy song.
What do you do if you're
Oh my
feeling rather
goodness.
blue in an English country?
And you can see the volume.
Strike up a dance and party with the ants in an English country garden.
Oh
Prance
goodness.
among the flower
It gets
beds,
really
acting
loud.
like a knucklehead,
It gets really
singing all
loud.
the while. It's bound to make you smile, then you
Okay,
can
what's that?
move on up with a big content
Oh,
from
yeah, that's a mute button.
English country garden.
And I think this will mute all the mics so they can't listen to you. So I have a lot to look forward to with this Echo device. With time, I really like that it shows the time here, so you can put it anywhere, and then you'll be able to see the time. You don't actually have to look at your phone or your watch, so that's good. And I like that it has got four microphones on the top here. I guess they are microphones. Yes, they are. So hopefully you'll be able to detect your voice from afar. I like the sound of this device, how it sounds, and it's really loud, more than I expected it to be, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this device. So that was the Echo Dot with time unboxing for you guys, and if you have any questions, let me know. And since this is my first smart speaker and first Echo device, if you have any suggestions, do let me know about them as well in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.